Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java Language Easy Guide. Start by installing the JDK, set Java Home, and choose an IDE like IntelliJ or VS Code to begin coding. Open a new project, create a Hello World class, and run it to confirm everything works. Practice compiling and running programs until you feel comfortable navigating files, errors, and basic console output without frustration. Focus on fundamentals in a steady, hands-on way that builds confidence. Study variables, primitives, reference types, if statements, loops, and arrays. Then practice creating classes, constructors, methods, and simple inheritance to see how objects interact. Build tiny projects that use collections, exception handling, and file I/O so you can connect theory to actual tasks. Repeat small challenges until the ideas feel natural and useful. Make practice a daily habit with focused, short sessions that produce visible progress. Use online exercises, kata, and small projects to reinforce concepts, and run tests to check your work automatically. Learn to use the debugger, read stack traces, and use Git for simple commits and branches. Over time, combine libraries, frameworks, and build tools to expand what you can build without losing touch with the basics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.